Okay, so can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are solving this May June 2016. I wanted to choose a different paper, okay, every time. So this is again, reading the scenario is an important thing. Obviously, never ignore it. You're going to prepare a spreadsheet to manage the budget and create charts comparing 6 global projects. Unless working in local currency, display of currency values rounded to the nearest US dollar. So, okay, right, we use dollar and we will round them. The file this contains information about countries and their currencies. Make sure that you use the most efficient way to do the task. So we'll just open up the files. I have use suitable software package to load the file. This, enter your details. So let's open up both files. I have currency file. Here we go. This is the currency file we have. So we have countries, we have their ISO abbreviation. That's the currency name and the exchange rate in US dollars, whatever it is. Okay, fine. And then we have is this. So for you businessman, you would get it more easily. Okay, then this. That's the other file. Okay, Honduras, Indonesia, Maldives, Fiji. We have these countries, their currency, local, and US dollar. Anyway, right? We need to study the file very properly. You're with me?
Yes.
Yeah, we need to study the file. That's important. So, because if you study the file, if you take time and study the file, you will get a very good idea, okay, about the. So it will be easier for you. I totally agree with you. What you said about, and it's a bit more difficult to understand the question in the spreadsheet because this is why the other name of spreadsheet is data analysis. And data analysis means that you should have good analytical skills. And this is where the examiner is checking your analytical skills. You get the point? Okay.
Yes, sir.
And this is what a software engineer, a system engineer does. They are given a problem and have to look at the problem from different angles. Okay, that's a very important component. Okay, so save the
Okay.
spreadsheet. Yeah, so you always have to save the spreadsheet in an Excel work. That's important. Insert two new rows above row one. So obviously what we'll do is over here, we're just going to insert one and we are going to insert another one, right? So we have to
Yes.
insert 2 euros in this file. Done? Right. Okay. Then
Okay.
right. Enter the title, this, okay,
In A1,
in cell A1. So
CMCP
yeah,
project.
in A1, I'll enter this. Okay. In cell 2, enter your name, center number, and candidate number. So in cell A2, which is this one, we will be entering the following. No problem. Let's see what else to do. Fine. So we are done with this, right? Merge cells A1 to H1, going pretty now. A1 till H1, you're going to merge and center. Then,
One A1 to H1. Okay.
yeah, sorry. So I selected this and
Okay.
right, okay.
And then we merge in center.
Right. Oh, yeah, exactly. Format this so that text is centerlined. I just did that. White 36 point sans serif font. So it is
It has black background.
black background. So we're going to make this is black background. We're going to make, no, I made black and we're going to make this white and we're going to make this 36 and we're going to make this a sans serif, which is Arial is the most appropriate. I told you the other day.
Did it ask
They did ask.
to change the font?
Yeah.
Where did it ask to change
Sans
the font?
serif.
Sans serif font.
Yeah.
That's the sans serif font, not the Arial one.
No. So no, listen. You know sans serif. Your Times New Roman is serif, and so Times New Roman. Why is it serif? Serif always have curved edges. Okay, so pointed edges, and sans serif they have smooth edges. That's how you distinguish. You get the point?
Can you explain it one more time?
Yes. What I'm saying is, you see over here I have smooth edges, and if I use Times New Roman, okay, that is good example of serif. Okay, there are other examples as well. For example, we have that's not this pointed edges. No, that's also serif. Let me directly Times New Roman.
So why don't you search one?
Yeah, 1 second. Here we go.
Right, sans.
So do you see I have pointed edges in this case?
Yes.
That's serif. There are two families, serif and sans serif. So that's how we distinguish them. You get the point?
Sans and serif.
Yes.
Serif is the one with the
Yes.
curved edges.
See, serif. That's also
Serif.
yes. Uh, sans serif has smooth edges, and serif has pointed edges. That's all.
Oh, okay.
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 Get the point?
Okay.
So right.
So we can use any font, right?
You can use any.
Any curve.
There are two major families. So when this is sans serif, choose one that has smooth edges. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. So,
And it has black color.
yes. You done with this point?
Okay. 4
Right.
marks for nothing.
Yeah, exactly. At
That's
times,
4 marks for nothing.
nothing. 4 marks for nothing. Yes. At times the examiner is generous. Okay. Now you will do.
In some before enter function lookup.
Yes. From
Okay. And then
this.
the name of the currency of Honduras. Okay.
Yes. So
We look up.
tell
We use the
B4 exactly.
function we look up.
Yes. 1 second. Let me.
In which column we will say?
Oh, you. He said B4. So I have.
Honduras. It said Honduras.
Yeah, for Honduras. You tell me how to do it. Okay. So enter function
The name
to look up.
the name of the currency for Honduras.
Yes. So
Uh,
is
so we
equal
use
to.
we look up. We look up,
That's my lookup value.
and then yes, our lookup value is B3 and lock it
Fine.
because we don't need any other.
And then
We go to currency.
and what do you want to find? The currency.
We actually choose the whole range.
No, what do we want? We want the currency, right?
Yes. We want the
So
currency name. We want the currency name, not
yes,
the
yes,
currency.
yes. So comma what?
Comma column index number, which is where it is. Number 1, 2, 3.
Hmm?
1, 2, 3.
No, only three, not 1, 2, 3, just three. Why three?
Only 3.
Why three?
Because the name of the currencies are in the column number 3, which is
Yeah.
T.
Yes, exactly. Three. So we want to get the value
And
of the third column and comma zero
and
for
then
the
we
exact
get
match.
0 for false exact match.
Get the point?
Lampira?
Lampira. Yes. Honduras says Lampira. Get the point?
Yes.
So it wasn't tough. The point is, obviously, whenever you want to compare any data with any data, like if you select this range, you want to compare this one, we write 2. If you want to compare this with this, we write 3. If you want to compare this with this, we will write 4. Yes or no?
Okay.
Right?
Okay. We actually choose the second thing we want to compare it with.
Yeah. No, we choose the third one because we want currency to come. That's what the question says. Name of the currency.
Okay.
So these are the names of the currency, aren't they? The third column. And
Yes, they are.
this is the country name. So by looking at the country name, I want to compare the third column. So that's why I select the range. Then I say comma 3 because get the data from the third column.
Okay.
So it will automatically compare the first with the third one. If I write 4, it will automatically compare first with the 4. Yes or no?
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, done with this one. Next, in cell B5, enter to total the amount of money in local currency for Honduras project. Okay, let's try to understand this. In cell B5. So I have over here is B5. What do they mean?
Wait, can I read one more second?
Yeah,
One
sure.
more time. Total the amount of money in local currency for the Honduras. Okay.
So you see, I have this
So
project.
we will use the sum function.
I have these, right? I have Honduras, and I want to total how many Honduras. Like Honduras is this, okay? So these are the donations. So total uh, projects. So total Honduras project will be what this plus this plus this plus this plus, or so on and so. So by looking at this, I want to sum this. So what can we do? Tell me.
So we can use sum if,
Very good. Excellent. We
though
can
we haven't read that,
we,
learned
we,
that yet.
we did sum if.
Yes, we did actually.
We did sum if, my dear. Okay. So where do I have to do it? B5. Okay. So you do with me. Sum if.
If
So, sum if says give me the range. What range? Okay.
the
This
actually
range.
thing is very big.
This range,
The
exactly.
whole thing.
Yes, this range. Only this one. Actually, this range where we have the product name, the country name, where the names are there. And obviously, we have to lock it. You agree with me?
Yes.
Comma, it says the criteria. What's the criteria?
Criteria is the Honduras.
Very good. You are intelligent, mashallah. And then where is the sum range?
Sum range will be 9.1 to
Exactly.
last.
Yeah. See, you did it. I didn't do it. And then we press FN 4
4.
and let's take it. So we get,
Okay,
yeah,
sir,
Chowk.
I have one more question to ask.
Mm-hmm.
So while I was doing the past paper on laptop,
Mm-hmm.
when I pressed FN plus F4,
Mm-hmm.
it didn't actually lock the range. It actually changed the brightness. So
Uh-huh.
when I pressed F4, it also locked it. So
Mm-hmm.
the function F4 plus FN plus F4 is not applicable on all laptops.
It doesn't matter. Even on desktop, it's not. So it doesn't matter. It depends.
Yes.
You just have to lock it. Or even on desktop computers, F and F4 will not work. Over there, only F4 will work. Okay.
Yes.
It depends on the computer's configuration, right?
Yes.
So we done this as well. Okay. 19. And cell
Cell
B.
B6 enter the formula to look up. Okay, we look up formula from the
Exactly.
external file and the exchange rate from the
Yes.
local currency to US for Honduras.
Yes.
Okay, multiply this value. First, we can do the lookup one because
Exactly.
this question has two
That is the
parts.
right approach.
So we will
That is the right
go
approach.
into the basics.
You are right. That is the right approach. Okay. So I look up this, comma, and I
Go
will
into the
look
other
up.
one. 161, the other one. And then
I'll
we
select the
choose the
entire range.
whole thing.
And comma what?
What was it asking for? The exchange rates. So
Yeah.
we choose four exchange
4.
rates 4,
4 and
and
comma.
then we take 0
Exactly. So I get
0
that.
by default.
Okay, now let's read again. And multiply this value.
By the total for the local currency.
Yes. So
we put the function where it go b6 plus
no. Read again.
comma.
Multiply this value that we've got. Okay. Multiply
Yes,
value
yes.
that
So
we've
that's
got.
why I was saying b6
Yes. By the total for the local.
total. Okay, we will how we would do it plus
No.
multiply. We would
Multiply.
put star. We
Star
would put
and
star. Then we will take the whole range.
no.
The whole range.
By
We
this.
have to multiply it with the total one.
Yes.
Oh, we took the
No.
total. I remembered we took the total.
Yes. You can read the question again if there's a problem.
No problem.
Sure.
No, I forgot actually the above column. The
Yeah.
B5 actually
Yes.
contained the total one. I
Exactly.
was going to do the total.
But does it not involve thinking skills? It's really good, isn't it?
Yes. And then we replicate the formula entered in step 17, 18, 19 for each project.
So we need to do is we will simply come here. So I'll replicate this from left to right. I'll replicate
Yes,
this
and
from
then
left to right.
into.
Oh, sorry, not in total income, obviously. Okay, this from left to right.
So
Okay,
why it shows three hashtags in PG?
because I need to click here, I need to double click between the columns.
Oh,
Okay, whenever you'll squeeze this, it will turn into this. Right?
oh,
Remember that. Okay,
oh.
and then we're done with this. In,
In H6, enter the
Mhm.
function to add the total income in US dollars. H6.
uh,
Total income in US dollars. In
yeah.
US dollars.
So is
We
it
will put is equal to sum,
sum exactly, and we can sum.
and then we will choose all the numbers.
Right. Fine.
Yes.
Sort the list of individual
Sort the
donations
list
into.
of individual donations into ascending orders of the project, where then descending order of the amount.
Okay.
Kisme? Individual
I'll
donations.
just show you. I'll just show you. So ascending project, descending amount. So you see over here is we have is
Where are the donations?
donations here.
Okay. So we choose the whole thing.
So listen. We will just turn on the filter by selecting this row. Get the point?
Okay, fine.
Okay.
We will
Or
select the
or or,
date
or
row.
there is another better way. We
We can format
can,
it.
no. I can select this range and which range?
Why this range? This is just the labeling.
This is a donation. This
It was donated amount. I think it was asking about donated amount.
individual donations. Individual donations.
Order of the amount. It is asking of the amount, not the number of donations.
Or the list of individual donations. List of no.
No.
Mhm.
We will change it. We will change the amount one amount and the
Hold on.
Jamaica. We will select the whole range. So,
So we can just select these two, and
yes,
then we
and
can do
then
is
we will do the filter one,
custom sort.
custom sort.
Yeah.
Oh, or we can do sort it.
Yes, and I can custom sort. First, I need to do
Sort by ascending. Um,
A to Z.
not not project. I think
Project is
it's not a
supposed to
project.
be
Add level. Then we
ascending order project. So, and so A to Z is what?
amount.
A to Z is
Yes, A
ascending
to Z.
and
Okay.
amount is descending, smallest to largest. Is correct? Yes or no?
Did it ask amount is descending?
Yes.
Where it is? Okay, descending order of the amount and ascending amount. Okay, fine.
Right? Yes. Okay. And we get it. Yes or no?
Yes.
So remember this way, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So we just have to select and we go to custom sort. Okay. Apply appropriate
Okay.
formatting to all cells in rows 3 to 6. 3 to 6. So
Appropriate formatting in
in
all
rows 3 to
rows
6.
3 to 6.
So
Appropriate formatting.
rows 3 to 6. Obviously, what they mean. Oh, remember this was supposed to be like dollar is supposed to be in this currency and it's supposed to be okay a zero decimal place. Remember the questions?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I didn't do dollar. I didn't do dollar as form.
We didn't do the local one. Local one should also be. The dollar. You can search dollar.
No, there are dollars. English, New Zealand,
Which dollar?
this one.
They have United States dollar.
Yeah, right. And this one should be local currency. No, I mean a local currency. That's it.
Local for which?
I mean, they didn't ask for this because they said was listen. Compare because you unless working to display all currency values rounded to nearest US dollar. Get the point?
Okay. So
Fine.
then we will also format the row number 5. You did the row number 6, but not the row number 5.
Right. Right. So here we go.
No,
Oh,
no, no, sir. You did 2 decimal
sorry.
places.
Sorry. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Save your spreadsheet. Print the cells A1 to I1 showing formulas. Make sure it's landscape, the row and column are displayed, the contents of the cells are visible. Now what we have to do is, remember we have to press Control tilde, Control tilde. Remember that, right? The way we sign. Are you with me?
What?
We
What?
have to print A1 to I6. So A1, I'll select from A to I6. Where is I? Here. Yes or no? Selected this.
Select how? Control C.
I'm selecting with mouse, my dear.
Okay.
Okay. I've selected this, and we have to make sure we print this on the column. It should be landscape and row and column heading. I'll tell you how. So go into file, come into print, come into page setup, make it landscape, make it A4, and come into sheet,
Sheet.
row and column. Yes or no?
Go and okay.
Okay, so I've done landscape, I've done all. And what we have to do is just wait a second. They might say is so print only. So we will say over here is print what? We'll print selection.
Print only. What does this do?
Because they
Okay,
say,
the selected one.
yeah,
Sir.
just print this only.
Okay. So why can't we do? Why can't we just select in Control P then?
Because if you do Control P, it will print everything. I just want to select print from A1 till I6. We just want to print
Okay.
that, not everything. Get
Okay.
the point. Otherwise, it will print everything. We don't want that. That's what the
And sir, where did it say that we have to do show the formula? Okay, it does say.
it does say
Okay,
that.
fine.
Fine. So done this.
Okay, moving on.
Print this page showing the values. Again, the same way, single page wide. And now what we have to do is we simply have to again control tilde. Now we can again print this. Okay. File, print. Now print the
But with the
values.
header also. But
Same.
with the header.
Yeah, print the values. Right? Same way,
Okay.
just the values. So
But it also asks for a header.
where
I think. It did ask for a header.
it,
Maybe I went ahead.
my dear, A1 includes the header heading. A1 to A1, the row A1 has the heading. Remember?
All right. Okay.
A1 till I1. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. And then we have is the okay, done with this. Print hold, done with this. Okay. Now extract with filtering. Extract only the data for Fiji and Maldives where the amount of donation was more than 90. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry. Uh, print,
Amount. We have to go
yeah.
to the amount for the
Yeah. So we'll
Fiji and
come here.
Maldives.
I'll turn on the filter. Can you see that?
Yes.
And then what I'll do is I just need is for uh,
Fiji and Maldives.
yes. So what I'll do is I will just Fiji and Maldives. I'll just right.
Yes. And then we go to the amount and then we round it off to more than 90. Greater than 90.